Salamınızı şagirdlər, salamınızı tələbələr. Deməli, bu günləri bizdə mövzumuz present simple olacaqdır. İndi bir dəqiqə qələmi alım. Aha. Deməli, bizim bu iki dərsimiz present simple olacaq. Deməli, indiki zaman. Present simple-da görə bilərik ki, deməli, affirmativ, təsdiq, inkar və sual cümlələri necə olur? Feil olduğu kimi qalır. İndi gəlin ingilisini başlasam daha məqsəd uyğun olsun. The verb stays as is written like, we can say like. In I am, I, you, we, you, they, we use like. But in third person, we need to add s at the end. So, in a negative form, in a log form, we can say that do not like, you see. But only in third form, we need to write does. So, in short form, don't, but in third form, we need to use doesn't. And in interrogative form, we need to write do or does in the beginning of the sentence. And we use the present simple for permanent or habitual actions. Yəni, nə nəzərdə tutur? Deməli, həmişə olan və həmişə baş verən işlər haqqında biz istifadə edirik indiki zamanda. Spelling third person singular. Verbs ending sh, x, or we need to add s. Dress, dresses, go, goes, and consonant plus y, we need to write es, he tries. But if we have not consonant, if we have vowel, we need to write just s. So, fill in the correct form of the verbs. Play, he plays. Watch, he watches. Do, he does. I read, he reads. I write, he writes. I fly, he flies. I work, he works. Voice, miss. So, the verbs which end with sh, with these, we need to use es. Just remember this rule. And also we need to listen to this.
Page 52. Listen and repeat, then act out.
Do you like chocolate, Tim?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat apples, Tim?
No, I don't.
Do you brush your teeth, Tim?
I never brush my teeth.
I can see that.
Ouch!
So, we have listened to that. Let's go to the next. So, short answers. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he eat like apples? Yes. She eat does, or no, she eat doesn't. Do they like apples? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Write do, does, and short answers. Anne and Joe. So, there too, we need to use they. Do they go to school? Yes, they do. Jamie, it's he. So we need to use does. Does Jamie like eggs? No, he doesn't. Do they live in London? No, they don't. So the cat, so we need to use does. Does the cat eat fish? Yes, it does. So look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Simon Day. So it starts with from school. Class starts at 9, and in 12 a.m. he eats. Then he goes out of the school and then he goes home. He lives in London, so we can see. He works in a school. He starts work at 9 o'clock. He has lunch at 12 o'clock. We know that they have changes for the third person as has. So he finishes his work at 3 o'clock. He reads book and he goes to bed. So look at the pictures and write and answer these questions. What does Lucy do at 8 o'clock in the morning? Lucy walks to the school at 8 o'clock in the morning. What does she do at 12 noon? She oldu. She has a lunch at 12 noon. What does she do at 4 o'clock in the afternoon? She does her homework at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What does she do at 7 o'clock in the evening? She watches TV at 7 o'clock in the evening. So, the next one, look at the clock faces. What do you do every day at this time? Write 4 sentences. So, what do you do? For example, I do my online classes at 8 o'clock. For example, if we take the morning, I go to the university or school or for work at 12 o'clock. At 3 p.m. I have my lunch at 3 p.m. and I go to home at 6 p.m. So long form, does not she eat the chicken? She does not eat the chicken. I do not drive a car. They do not do their homework. You do not live in Italy. He do not play tennis. And short form, we need to use don't or doesn't. She and he, we need to use doesn't form. And on the others, we need to use don't. Look and write. Put the verbs in the brackets into the present simple negative, in negative form. He doesn't like fish. She hasn't. She doesn't have lunch at 12 o'clock. He doesn't watch TV in the evenings. We don't live in Paris. I don't ride my bike to school. So, look at the table and write what they like and what they don't like. So, Ted likes fish, eggs, and eggs. Ted doesn't like chicken, burgers, and pizza. So, you need to write about every person here, like in this format. So the next one, read and match, listen and check. My family and I don't live in London, we live in New York. Maria doesn't play in evenings, she watches TV. Our dog doesn't eat fish, so it eats chicken. You don't read a newspaper in the afternoon, so you read books. Rob doesn't play the guitar, he plays the piano. The children don't like oranges, They like apples. I don't ride a horse, I ride my bike. My brother and I don't go to bed at 9 o'clock, we go to bed at 10 o'clock. So, we need to write, as we mentioned before, in ticks we say that yes, it happens. But we need to write also in interrogative form, and then we need to answer it. Does Chloe go to school? Yes, she goes. She does. Does Chloe play tennis? No, she doesn't. Does Chloe like fish? No, she doesn't. So, like this. I play football on Sundays. I play football on Sundays. I say that. So, I play football on Sundays. For example, Ian works in a school. For example, Maza goes shopping on Saturdays. You do. Not they, not you. Dakika. We need to write Mary and Tony do their homework every day. You like burgers and they start school at 9 o'clock. Okay, the other one. Do you like pizza? You need to answer about you. For example, I would answer about me. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Does your dad work in school? No, he doesn't. Do your friends go to the park in the afternoon? Yes, they do. Does your mom like flowers? No, she doesn't. Do you do your homework every day? Yes, I do. Does your teacher drive to school? No, she doesn't. Does your friend play football on Sundays? Yes, he does. Do you eat breakfast with your family in the morning? Yes, I do. So it's a speaking activity. We need to do it together. And you can also write about your daily routine. I get up or at, I don't know, maybe at 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. and go to school and this kind of things. So we finish for today. So our next lesson will be present continuous form. And also let's just okay, just the present continuous. So see you soon.